there load shedding? Yeah, no, yesterday was voting day, today's load shedding day. Blaksa. Okay, so guys, we're going to do a pull from 70 to 120. So, flat foot. This corner, man. So, bloody polo driving like a freaking hooligan, yeah.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel like...
Okay guys, so this is Retro. Just got a free car wash by me. So it's technically not free. So guys, this is a 2007 Polo 993 GTI. I've had this car since 16, 17. I just turned 32 yesterday. Old Baline, not grey yet. So yeah, it's been a long time since I've had this car. There's so much mods on this car. Let's start from the front. So, not plastic, but fiberglass cup bumper. Not original Polo Viva headlights that need new work. We've got this grill. I deleted the old one, but we fitted an OEM Polo grill. We've obviously got the mesh with the big cooler there, guys. We have a forged throttle pipe. We have a forged turbo inlet pipe, stock DV, the ECS R8 coils, custom, listen there, custom carbon fiber intake built by Mr. Retro. We've got a BMC, I think it's 110mm cone filter. What else? We got the shout out to Ultra Racing strut brace, huge underrated mod. Stuff you can't see, guys. Downpipe software. There's 2 boxes. MPH software. Shout out to yours there. Link in description. We've got Powerflex dog bone mount, engine mount. We've got Powerflex bushings in the front for the control arms front and rear. Then moving to the side here, we've got original 1552s with a Chem Block sticker or Boss inside. We've got the ARP racing calipers from the Seat Ibiza Cupra. Wrapped in beautiful Michelin Pilot Sport 5s, 205, 15, 17. Then going to the side, I wish I could say this car hasn't been in a bump, but there has been some spray work done. It's not perfect. This beating, chicky. We've got these side skirt extensions. So these are original GTI extensions or side skirts that were color coded in Black Magic Pearl. The side skirt extension, we've blacked these out as well. The roof is still got this tech wrap on, and if you've watched this far, you will know that soon we'll be rewrapping the whole car by myself and a friend of mine. So let's go to the back. The beloved diffuser that everyone wants, guys. If I can find this diffuser, I will definitely hit up a link. I can't find a diffuser like this. It's the original GTI with this fiberglass piece. We've obviously got the aftermarket tail lights that are blacked out, the blacked out badges, deleted badges. And inside, my boot works, but just check with the inside. Ta-da, with the ignition. So, built by me when I was 19, and with the help of Jason at Future Audio. Got the 12-inch Pioneer sub, the dick-ass amp, I don't even know because this got fixed Monday. And the battery's in the boot, so we can make space for the Vupa sounds. And the spare wheel is still accessible. And if you look here, if Luke can show you, this plate is massive. Because there's always issues with these micro switches and stuff. I still want to pull a tag there, but anyway. So moving on, we can go to the driver's seat, I'm sure. So most cars consider a build bags, wheels and seats. So we don't have bags, but we've got H&R ultra lows. We've got Polo 60 GTI seats. We've got Polo manual steering wheel with carbon fiber inserts. What is this boost gauge again? Glowshift boost gauge. The roof liner we did ourselves. The door cards we did ourselves. And another big thing is the iPad as a center console. There's an iPad, not a head unit. There's a literal iPad mini that you can take out, watch YouTube, watch other tube if you want. And the billet gear knob there's so much on this car. I'll put the mod list in, but it's years of building, years of passion. The cluster mods done by Chris at Retrofitters. The steering wheel was done by him. All the puddle lights, the outside lights, the list goes on and on and on. So I don't want to bore you, but yeah, the full list is there. If you got any questions, I don't mind disclosing anything. There's no hidden masala on here. If there is, I don't even know about it. But yeah, this is Retro. This is Mr. Retro, and official video of my car because you guys have been asking for it. Yeah, no, bro, I need like something to drink. Or you can put it in launch and this one doesn't just choo. Is there load shedding? Yeah, no, yesterday was voting day, today's load shedding day. Blaksa. Hey? See guys, now the load shedding's back. Oh no, it's just a one light. Negative, ignore that comment. Okay, the brakes aren't going anymore. A dead cat inside there. How's your brake sound? You know what a dead cat sounds like? No, let me show you. There's the dead cat. Brakes aren't going anymore. I can run the legs a little. It's embarrassing. It's like race brakes, I don't know, they gotta warm up. If they're not warm, then they... How's your car sound? No, it goes... Sounds more like a bloody donkey. Well, this failed, bro. Instead of hearing the car, we just hear the brakes. So why are they looking? Because there's a polo going... Okay, so guys, we're going to do a pull from 70 to 120 in third. Flat foot. That's all we can do on show, guys. Otherwise we're gonna get locked up. So that was just a third gear pull, flat foot. Just to give you an example, it's not a TDI. Third gear pull in TDI, you'd probably be at like 160, 180, not even. Off camera we can go slightly above 120. Not that we do speeding, guys. Speeding's bad. You see me wink in the I don't think you can see me wink behind the glasses. And then this we usually just ESP off and then even the camera's like I love the way this car makes me feel, bro. It's so good. I'll show you. We have arrived. Cool. Yeah, no, it's not tired. See, there's donuts in the middle of the road.
I wonder from who?
That's not me, my car can't do donuts, I promise you. Could be friends of mine, but... It's this corner, man. That's why we got the AP Racing calipers, eh? Nearly didn't make it. That auntie was like, holy shit man, we nearly died. Even the taxi, oh the taxi's on his phone, he doesn't care.
probably doesn't even know what happened.
No. We'll be out of his way soon. Driving speed limit. Semi-hard on the brakes so they don't squeal again. The people in this area hate this car. That's bloody polo driving like a freaking hooligan, yeah. See how the Michelin's grip on this car, man, check it out. Make sure it doesn't go. Slightly on the brake, let's move it. Even that auntie pulled out, otherwise she's like, we're gonna die, we're gonna die. Now you guys know when my brakes squeal. So drive it like a pig. There's no better way to make the oaks at the back of the bucket feel uncomfortable by pointing a camera in their face. Because when they look into you, they look into your soul. Now we can look back into their soul with the camera. Let's go polo driver. That was like 75, guys, don't worry.
Definitely.
Definitely 75.
I think maybe like 60, 65.
65.2.
Wait, what's the speed limit here?
70.
70.
Yeah.
Yeah.
70.2.
No, we were going like 65 there.
On. I think this auntie's gonna swear us. Maybe. There's a Fiesta ST. You want a dice? It's on the wrong side of the road. And the camera's like, what? Back to 70. They do trap you. No, in all honesty, they do trap you. So, you guys will know if we're speeding because they'll trap me. So, we'll see. We'll drive past the camera and smile and wave, and then we'll go be on our merry way. If we drive properly.
But you can't speed, it's illegal.
Exactly. And then just one last little burnout thing for you guys as a send-off. Just for you guys.